The hands of the clock are still chiming. I was silent, unable to move. Stand up or lie back down. Like dry wood. The hands of the clock are still chiming. I'm still lying still. Lamenting such a fate leads me to the center, until my head is dizzy. The hands of the clock are still chiming. I ventured to rebel. I don't want to lie down anymore. Because I'm a brain creature. Suffering. Don't know how long this path I have taken has come to an end. Tired. I feel tired. With the path that I walk. Maybe I should drive well, in order to arrive at the destination as desired. But, can I? Can the steering wheel collaborate with my thoughts? Or is it the steering wheel that can lead me to the right path? Lord, is there someone you prepared for me, to jointly support this burden that I carry? So that I want to share my sorrow. I want to share my suffering. Don't know what else I can do. I, sinful man who wished you would show your strength is for me.